Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off Snapchat notification. Now I'm showing you two methods. Method number 1, first of all open Snapchat. Click on to profile. After that, look at the right corner, tap on setting icon, scroll down, select notification, disable this option, then turn off notification, or enable this option, turn on notification. And method number 2, go to phone setting. After that, go to notification option. Tap on to manage notification. Now shown here your all apps. Selecting Snapchat. And here you can easily turn on notification or turn off notification. That's how you can easily turn on or off Snapchat notification. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial Libre channel for more video.